Dr. Amy with Impact Chiropractic, and today we're going to be talking about car accidents and how that truly affects the body, the spine, and why chiropractic can help. So first question really truly is, what happens in the body during a car accident? And there's so many different things that can shift. First and foremost, many of you that may have been in a car accident will experience random aches, pains, soreness, bruising, small mild inflammation in soft tissue. Now, there are bigger things that can occur, including spinal fractures. You can have whiplash, which many of you have heard, which is just a motion of the neck being moved forward and backward at a high speed, and even herniated discs. What many people don't know about car accidents is that spinal shifts can happen within the structure, which most people don't identify unless we take x-rays. So that's a huge thing that we look at when we're doing any chiropractic care for someone in a car accident. So now let's talk about why spinal structure is so important, and then we can dive into how does it truly shift when we have a car accident. Spinal structure is so important because it houses your nervous system. We want to make sure the brain on top is fully communicating down that spine and then coming out at every single level. You can see these nerves, because these nerves will control every cell and tissue, all your muscles, your organs, everything within your body. Now, what we see is the structure, when it shifts, it will affect that nervous system flow, that brain to body connection, so it may not communicate as well. So a huge one within the car accidents is we're supposed to have this nice curve in our neck. Often with whiplash and any big force, it can straighten out that neck. This affects that nervous system within the whole neck so that we are having miscommunication at every level. So definitely a lot of neck tension, a lot of headaches, a lot of soreness, a lot of spasms can happen through this region. Dizziness, poor sleep, a lot of anxiety that may be lingering. So much can kind of come through either initially or later when you have automatic shifts just like that. Other places in the body that can happen is it can occur from both sides, either the side where it's straightening out curves we should have, or from the front where we have a straight spine, it can actually be adding in curves depending on what force, how you were hit, and how severe it was. It's very interesting in our office because we see patients before car accidents and have their x-rays. After accidents, we can see how decreased their spinal structure is, which makes sense when they have elevated pain, tension, and spasms occurring within their body. So you've been in a car accident, what next? And it may vary for different people. Some people, they go in a car accident, they don't have pain before or after. We still see that there's spinal shifts underlying, so this may develop in chronic pain, chronic tension later on and become a problem. Some people don't have any pain before, don't really have any pain during or right after the accident, but then it sneaks up later. This could be because the shifts are setting in and your body's finally taking account of the injuries that have happened. Some people will experience pain right off the bat and it will be excruciating all the way through. So no matter where you are at, we want to make sure that we are taking care of your body in order to be preventative so you don't have any pain now, but also don't have any pain later. So what do we do as chiropractors to make sure that you are taken care of and that we don't have any lingering spinal structure issues from the car accident? So we want to make sure we take an extensive history, see if there's anything else going on within the body. We do an extensive examination. This will include x-rays as well as some range of motion, other indicators to make sure that you are a good candidate for chiropractic and there's nothing bigger going on. We then will get together, go over our findings, give you all the information to make the best decision for your body, move forward and proceed with care where, yes, we relieve pain, we also help fix structure so that pain stays away longer. The last question that many people have is, how does insurance play into this? So if you are curious about that, I would contact your car insurance, open a claim through them. Anyone in Colorado is required to have what is called MedPay. MedPay does cover $5,000 to $10,000 worth of care for you, depending on whatever medical facility you go to. In our office, we are happy to help with you, your adjuster, and your insurance to make sure that you get care covered. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions, if you've been in a car accident or know someone that's been in a car accident, so that we can make sure that your body is in the best state. We'll see you soon.